Hey stalkers! So it's Wednesday night / early Thursday morning. I've been pretty busy this week so far, with work being annoying as hell and just doing other things whilst I am home. Well, last night I went to Amy's house with one of my other managers and one of my coworkers, and we watched Superbad, so that was fun. And then I came home and was looking into flight possibilities for California next March, fingers crossed maybe, / potentially going to Orlando for my birthday in May next year. So that's something to look forward to and to save up money for. And then today I got home and I started editing this week's YouTube video, getting it done, and I'm actually really happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was able to keep it under 5 minutes for once, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I was really happy with the way that it turned out, so I hope you guys liked it. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos like that. Hey guys, so it is Saturday morning, and I am just about to leave to go pick up Amanda, so that way we can get on our drive on up to my cousin's for the festival tomorrow. So I'm really excited, and just hoping that it's going to be a good, easy drive, not too busy. But yeah, excited. It's going to be lots of fun. I feel like Thor is going to miss me, but she's not showing it right now. She's too busy trying to catch birds, which she can't actually do, but yeah, so I'm going to head out, and I'll see you guys on the road. Hey guys! So we're on our way to, I guess, north of Aurelia. It's the easiest way to say it. We're on the 400, making good time. Traffic's nice, which is definitely a good thing. I'm happy with that. Are you having a good time already, Amanda?
Yes I am.
you're like I can't see myself.
I can't see myself. And we're gonna pass my work.
Getting close to your work soon.
Oh yeah, soon.
So we'll have to vlog that. I want to go.
Oh,
to this.
there's Cineplex.
No, that's not the VIP one. I want to go to the VIP one.
The VIP one's in downtown Oakville.
Yeah.
Oakville? Oh shit, yeah.
They have like the big one that has like the fucking arcade shit in it, like the giant arcade and everything.
There's Range Rover driving by. Hello, Range Rover. Oh, he's drinking his Timmy's. How Canadian.
Yeah, I'm loyal. I drink my McDonald's.
Lols.
McDonald's tea.
McDonald's. There's Wonderland. That's my work.
So I'm at the Pure Living Festival right now and operating the photo booth. Having a good time. Lots of fun stuff here. Lots of vendors and live music. Lots of food. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. So yeah. Hey guys, so it's Monday at noon and I'm editing this week's weekly vlog, this thing right now. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Enjoyed the little clippets from when I was up at my cousin's up north. I had a really good time, lots of fun, bought some stuff, got to try some new food, new drinks. Had a session with some psychics, which was pretty cool. But yeah, overall it was a good time. I got to see my cousin's baby, got to visit family. It was good. I enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below if you enjoy spending time out in nature, because why not? Nature can be awesome. As well, don't forget to share my video with everyone that you know and everyone that you don't know. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, watch last week's video where I did a do-it-yourself project that turned out not too shabby, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. I love you.